갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지.
Hey, I live in Delhi and Delhi is in India. My apartment is on the 7th floor and right now I am at home. You know what? Yesterday I saw a snake on the ground. Did you notice that I have used 3 different prepositions in, on and at just for place? And I know that these prepositions often leave us either confused or scratching our heads. But not to worry. Today we will understand this once and for all. So let's get to the journey from a noob to a pro. We'll understand these 3 prepositions for places at, on and in with the help of this pyramid technique, so that by the end of this video we have all the concepts clear in our mind. So here you can see that we have this pyramid divided into 3 compartments, and the smaller compartment is allotted to at, the medium one is to on, and the larger area has been allotted to in. Similar is the relationship with these prepositions. So when we talk about at, all those nouns or places which are very specific, like you can say that when you are talking about a point of place, then we use the preposition at. For example, if you have a particular location, then we use at. Or if you have any address, you have a proper house number or apartment number, then we use at. So on will have medium area, that means longer than at but smaller than in. So we take the places like streets or avenues, highways or any surface. And if we talk about in, then in takes the larger area of everything like city, country, continent, etc. or any enclosed area. And we have understood that in previous video also, that for enclosed area we use the preposition in. Apart from these, on is also used for communication. Like on radio, on television. So these are the basic uses of at, on and in. We are talking about at when we have a very small or specific place. Let's have a look at the examples, like at home, a very specific place, at airport, at office, at bus stop. And when we have the exact address of a person, then also we use at, like at 003 North Street. Now 003 is the number of the apartment. So that is the exact location we can say. So that is why we are taking at with this. Then coming to on, we have talked about streets or avenues. And here we have used that if the number is given, then we have used at. But if there is no number, only the street, then we say on North Street. Or NH7, that is an highway, okay, National Highway number 7. Or I live on the 2nd floor. Now floor is the surface. Table or chair we can use on table, on chair. And when we talk about communication, so communication like modes of communication on radio. What we say that the particular series of a show will be telecast or will be broadcast on television or on radio. So these kind of nouns take the preposition on because they have the middle range of distance. Then coming to in, we have talked about city. So city is like Mumbai, state is Maharashtra, it is also a bigger area. Then India is much bigger than Maharashtra, and India is the part of which continent? Asia is again a larger area. And in a room, now room is an enclosed area, that is why we have used in here. So let's revise once more that when you have at has the smaller area or the specific point of area, and on has the middle range of area when the distance or the area is bigger than at but smaller than in, and when we talk about in, it is the largest area we are talking. Let's understand it more with the help of some examples. So here is our exercise. Now the first question is dash America, and the America is a country. So here we will put in because it has a larger area. The second is dash bus stop. Now the bus stop is the specific place in a city. So if we are talking about specific and smaller places, we put at. So at bus stop. Third, Maybe street. Now this street. So it is longer than at but smaller than in. So the answer will be on Maybe street. What we used to say when someone asks me if we are traveling, that we are on the way. We are on the way. That is why we use the preposition on. Then dash Europe. Europe is again in a larger area in Europe. And club. Now the club is again the specific place, the location or the address. So with club we use at club. I am at club. I stayed dash home this weekend. Here you can see that we are talking about home, which is the exact location of a person. So we will use at home. I stayed at home this weekend. Then I'll meet you dash the cinema. Again the cinema is the location. So at the cinema. Coming to this blank, read it out. He works dash a shopping mart dash Orange Street dash London. Now here you have a sentence with 3 blanks and 3 different places. So let's see how we can fill it. He works dash a shopping mart. Now mart is the location where he works, so the sentence will be at. Then the shopping mart is dash Orange Street. Orange Street. Street is a longer way. So on Orange Street. And where it is? London. Now London is much larger in area in London. So like this you can have sentences with 2 or more places. We need to use these prepositions accordingly. So this was our pyramid technique. You know what? Prepositions play a crucial role in speaking as well as in writing skills. So go and kill it with your appropriate grammar. Stay tuned for the next video. I will see you very soon. Till then, keep watching.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수